Hey guys, kolboi13 here. Guess what? I just got a new nerf gun today, and I'm gonna show you it and we're gonna review it. Yes, I did get a haircut. Okay, it is the Maverick. The Maverick REV6. Rev 6. So it's from Nerf. And I'm about to say this. Woo! No. Let me see. Wow. Okay. Or I'm just gonna do this. Yes! Yeah! Okay, so time to review. Alright. So let's go with the bad first. The bad is that you kind of have to pull the trigger pretty far. Yeah, back. Then you just shoot. The good, now that's kind of the only good. The only bad. So the good is that it's not that hard to reload. You just go like this. Reload, shoot. Reload, shoot. Well, another bad is that it only holds 6 bullets. But it's still a lot, so it's not a bad. It's not a bad part. And it rotates. So that's the other good. And the other good is that, guess what? It holds any bullets. Right now, I'm using these kind of bullets. If I can get it out. These kinds. The orange ones. I have a whole bunch of kind of bullets. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to do today. Review my nerf gun. So, yeah, that's our shoots. Go ahead. Shoot at the camera. Oh, you saw the bullet. Inside. So yeah, I'll be right back. Wait 1 second. Let me get those bullets. Hold up 1 second. I'm down here trying to get my bullets. Now I can't even find them. I think I shot 2, right? I think I shot 2. I hope I didn't know I shot 2. Guess I lost it. Okay, hold up 1 second. Let me go get the other one. Got a new one. Got a new one. Oh, it's only 30 minutes. Okay. So that's all we have for today, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you how far it could go. So, let me see. That's how far it could go, if you saw that. See the bullet? I think you're seeing the bullet. Yeah, you're seeing the bullet, alright. Yeah, you see the bullet. There goes the bullet. Yeah, so that's it for today. So, yeah. See ya!